Hello English learners, welcome to my channel Easy and Simple English. मैं हूँ नीरज. Let's begin our class. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. मुझे कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला. I never got the chance. I never got the chance. क्या आप मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं करते? Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me? रिया कल जॉन के घर नहीं जा रही है. रिया is not visiting John tomorrow. रिया is not visiting John tomorrow. क्यों? क्या हुआ? Why? What's wrong? Why? What's wrong? उनकी आपस में नहीं बनती. They are not on good terms. They are not on good terms. यहाँ चल क्या रहा है? What is going on here? What is going on here? पार्टी खत्म हो गई. Party is over. Party is over. वो फिल्म किस चैनल पर आ रही है? What channel is that movie on? What channel is that movie on? क्या हुआ? तुम परेशान दिख रहे हो. What's wrong? You look upset. What's wrong? You look upset. तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? मुझे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. जाकर देखो दरवाजे पर कौन है. Go and answer the door. Go and answer the door. बड़ों जैसा व्यवहार करो. Behave like a grown up. Behave like a grown up. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. मेरे मामलों में घुसने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to meddle in my affairs. Don't try to meddle in my affairs. तुम्हें किसने कहा बीच में दखल देने को? Who asked you to meddle? Who asked you to meddle? कहाँ खोए हुए हो? Where are you lost? Where are you lost? दोनों की जल्दी ही शादी होने वाली है. They are the soon to wed couple. They are the soon to wed couple. तुम जल्दी आ गए. You are early. You are early. माफ करना मुझे देर हो गई. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. उसे पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि ये मैं हूँ. He won't even know it's me. He won't even know it's me. आज तारीख क्या है? What's the date today? What's the date today? क्या आपने अपनी दवाई ली? Have you taken your medicine? Have you taken your medicine? स्वाद कैसा है? How does it taste? How does it taste? बाहर जाने का रास्ता इस तरफ है. The exit door is this way. The exit door is this way. देर से आने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. तुम विश्वास नहीं करोगे आज क्या हुआ. You won't believe what has happened today. You won't believe what has happened today. क्या तुम मजाक कर रहे हो? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? मैं जो चाहूँ वो कर सकता हूँ. I can do whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? तो अब आगे क्या करना है? So what's next? So what's next? मुझे कुछ नहीं सूझ रहा. I have no idea. I have no idea. हार मत मानो. Don't give up. Don't give up. जब मैं तुम्हारी उम्र का था, मैंने कभी हार नहीं मानी. When I was your age, I never gave up. When I was your age, I never gave up. इसमें हंसने की क्या बात है? What's so funny? What's so funny? क्या आप मुझे मेरे घर से लेने आ जाएंगे? Will you pick me up at my place? Will you pick me up at my place? काश मैं तुमसे कभी मिला ही नहीं होता. I wish I had never met you. I wish I had never met you. मैं तुमसे आखिरी बार बोल रही हूँ. I am telling you for the last time. I am telling you for the last time. आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? क्या आपको मदद चाहिए? Do you need help? Do you need help? मेरा मन नहीं है. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. मुझे बहुत सारा काम है. I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. इससे मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It makes no difference to me. It makes no difference to me. क्या आपके पास थोड़ा समय है? Do you have some time? Do you have some time? आपकी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? मैं 20 साल का हूँ. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. आप यहाँ कब से हैं? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? लगभग 4 साल से. About 4 years. About 4 years. वो कैसा दिखता है? How does he look like? How does he look like? तुम दोनों क्या कर रहे हो? What are you two doing? What are you two doing? मुझ पर इल्ज़ाम मत लगाओ. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. तुम्हें कैसे पता चला? How did you know? How did you know? अभी आ रहा हूँ. I am coming right now. I am coming right now. ये उपहार किसके लिए है? Who is this gift for? Who is this gift for? ये मेरे भाई करण के लिए है. It's for my brother Karan. It's for my brother Karan. मैं 6 साल की उम्र में अच्छे से एक किताब पढ़ लेती थी. I could read the book well at age 6. मैं थोड़ा थक सी गई. I'm sort of tired. I'm sort of tired. तुम क्या करने वाले हो? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? वहाँ पहुँचने में घंटों लग गए. It took hours to reach there. It took hours to reach there. क्या अब हम चलें? Shall we leave now? Shall we leave now? जब आप चाहें. Whenever you want. Whenever you want. मेरा पिछले साल मुश्किल दौर से गुजर रही थी. Meera was going through a rough patch last year. अब उसकी जिंदगी में अच्छे बदलाव आए हैं. Now her life has changed for the better. Now her life has changed for the better. मेरी अंग्रेजी पर अच्छी पकड़ है. I have a good command over English. I have a good command over English. मैं अपनी बहन के बहुत करीब हूँ. I am very close to my sister. I am very close to my sister. मैं बहुत समय से घर से दूर हूँ. I have been away from home for a long time. I have been away from home for a long time. मेरे पास उनके बारे में बताने को बहुत कुछ है. I have a lot to say about her. I have a lot to say about her. ऐसा मौका फिर नहीं आएगा. Such an opportunity will not come again. Such an opportunity will not come again. मैं आपके लिए कुछ लाया हूँ। I have brought something for you. I have brought something for you. और वह क्या है? And what is that? And what is that? उसे मेज पे रख दो. Put that on the table. Put that on the table. मुझे सुबह जल्दी जागना पड़ता है. I have to get up early. I have to get up early. तो आपका दिन कैसा रहा? So how was your day? So how was your day? बहुत ही अच्छा रहा. It was wonderful. It was wonderful. वह एक जाने माने व्यक्ति है. He is a well-known person. He is a well-known person. आपने मेरा दिन बना दिया. You have made my day. You have made my day. मैंने आज से पहले ऐसा कुछ कभी नहीं देखा. I have never seen anything like this before. I have never seen anything like this before. कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं ऐसा कुछ करूँगा. I never thought that I would do something like this. I never thought that I would do something like this. मुझे वह दिन अभी भी याद है. I still remember those days. I still remember those days. मैं भगवान में बहुत विश्वास रखती हूँ. I am a great believer in God. I am a great believer in God. क्या ये काम का है? Is it useful? Is it useful? वो आदमी कौन है जो वहाँ खड़ा है? Who is the man standing over there? Who is the man standing over there? क्या आपका कोई भाई या बहन है? Do you have any sibling? Do you have any sibling? हाँ, मेरे 2 भाई और 1 बहन है. Yes, I have 2 brothers and a sister. Yes, I have 2 brothers and a sister. So that's all for today. So we will meet in next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.